teach you how to make a video like this. In this video, I'll teach you how to make a form or create a form like this. This is a school form. Okay, so here are the contents of the form. You can see at the top is the name of the institution. Here are the address. Here is the telephone number. Here is the motto. And here, this place that I'm pointing my cursor is where the passport will be. And here we have the part 1 where some information will be taken. But every form has its own design. You are the one to design how your form will be. So here in this video, I'll teach you how to make this kind of form exactly using Microsoft Word. So now let us dive into the main video. So what we are going to do first here is this. We are going to create a name. Okay, so now the name is what? Let us give it a name. Let's just say the name should be International. So before you do that, you have to go into your Microsoft Word, which I didn't tell you. Open your Microsoft Word. You will see a blank page like this. Okay, and if you show you option, there are other templates that are there. Don't use the other templates. Just choose a blank template. If you choose a blank template, and if you open it, you will see something like this. So if you see something like this, then you start your typing. Let's say International Model School. International Model School of Africa. So now this is the name of the school I've typed in. So how will I increase the size so that it will look bold, so that people can see the form properly? Because this title is the main catcher of the form. So it's a capture area. So what I will do here, I will increase the size of my form. I will come here to increase the size. Maybe the size should be 18 or even more than that. I can use 22. If I will adjust it again, I will adjust it. Then this Calibri body, this place that is showing me Calibri body, there is other option. You come here and select the kind of shape of your write-up. So this one, I don't like it. I will use this Algeria. You can see the size of my text is big and it's looking very bold. And let me make it to look more bold. I'll click on this bold. That's Control B. Or this bold, I will just click on it. You can see my text is bold now. So then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to start collecting some other details. The detail I will take here, let's assume this school is in somewhere in, let's say in Nigeria. Okay, but this text size, I don't need the text size. I want to change the text size here because I need text size that is smaller than this, and it's not this Algerian I want again. I may get back to, well, I can still use the Algeria. Since that's what they use in that other form, I said I will show you how to create. So now let's use this address. Let's assume the address we are using is what? Is block block 9 Immortal layout. Layouts behind St. Peter Church, behind St. Peter Foundation. Nasarawa. Nasarawa State. Forget about the size of my text. Alright, after I've typed this, Nasarawa State, then I will come down here. I can say telephone number. So here, I don't want to use this Algerian, but this one now, since I've used it like this, I will select it. After selecting it, then I will reduce the size of my write-up. I will reduce the size of my write-up to, let's say, to 11. If I use 11, can it be seen? What of 10? I can use this size. People can see that size 10. So I will select that one. Then the location, I will move it back like this. Okay, after when I did that, then I can bring my phone number here. It depends on how you want it to be. So here, I'll put telephone number, but before the telephone number, let me return my text to another style. I'll use this style, telephone number. Telephone, the abbreviation, that's there. Then I will type my phone number here. My phone number, let it be plus 234 67 65 64 33. This is a fake number. Don't go and use the number. I'm just putting that number there, but that's not my real phone number. So you should not use the number as my number, and don't contact that number thinking you are communicating with me. Please take note of that. So let's assume I will add something again on the phone number so that nobody will use that number. So this number is not a standard number in my country. 2 3 4 5 6. All right. After putting that telephone number, I can adjust the size to this place. I can adjust it to the middle. After when I did that, then I come down again. Here I will type motto. And the size of motto too should be big, bold. Motto. Then the motto is what? Learning. Learning to build future. Learning to build tomorrow. Or learning for better tomorrow or better future. You can use that as the motto. This is nobody's motto. I'm just putting it. So don't go and use it or think it's some schools that have it. So after getting that, then I will increase the size of this my typing because it was on 10. I'm increasing the size. Even the phone number will increase it. But let me join them together with the address. So I will select, I will click on the starting point, click on shift, draw my arrow down, and then move it toward my right hand side. So using the down arrow key, if you use that, you get it. So you can see I've selected whatever I want to select. So after selecting, I will come here, I will increase the size. I will use this size 14 because I want people to see whatever I'm typing here. So I'll move here, I'll shift it, backspace. After backspace, then I'll come here. I'm going to put where passport will be inserted. So what I will do here, I'll come to where I want to insert the passport. After clicking by that side, I'll come to this insert. After going to that insert, I'll go to shapes. And the shape, I will select rectangle. Then I will come and draw here according to the size I want to put. That's for the passport. If this is the right size, then I will come here. You can see because of the type of window I'm using. So this place has color. I want to remove the color inside. So what I will do, I'll come here to this side. I'll scroll up. I'll look for the blank shape. That's this one. I will select on it. After selecting on it, you can see this place is blank. And then inside, I want to say passport. Put passport. Do you understand? So I will click on the picture here. I will right click. After right clicking, I will go to add text. After when I go to add text, then I will type passport. After putting passport, that's all for that place. I'm through with there. So now, what I'm going to do next, by this side, I will type what? I will type part 1. Even though the size and whatever is not what we want, we can reduce it. Part 1. After putting part 1, then open brackets. You are going to click on shift so that you can select the open bracket, because on my laptop here 9 is down and then the open bracket is up. You click on shift and then open bracket, and then you type what you want to put. That's pupils or student. I can put what? Students data. I'll put my apostrophe here. Students data. After putting students data, I will close it. After when I close it, then I will reduce the size, because I don't want my typing should be in Algerian. I want it to be in Romance. I prefer the Romance. And apart from the Romance, the size is too big. So I want to reduce it from 22 to either 14 or 16. Let me use 16 here. Then after doing that, I'll come down again. I'll click my cursor close to the last end here. I'll click down. That's enter. If you click enter, you go down. Then I will start by putting what? Form number. Form number in abbreviation, the number dot. Then I'll put what? I can click on shift, then click on underscore. Okay, that's where there is minus. If you click on shift, you click on minus, it will become underscore for you. Then after doing that, if I reach here, then I can type what? Section. I will also click on the underscore continuously. Okay, so this space is not enough. I want to